In this quick Excel guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude in Excel. So this is very easy to do, and all you have to do, you want to hover your mouse on add-ins and you want to click on it. And from here, you can basically add those extensions to Excel. So you have like Python, you have Autopilot and many different things. And you want to search for Claude. So Claude by Anthropic for Excel. If you click on it, it will open this window, and from here you can see that this can read and make changes to your document, access my profile information such as my name, email, and can send data over internet, so you can read through it. And if you want to install it, just click on add. Then you want to continue. And on the right side, you should see this pop-up window with Claude. So you can also see that you can analyze sheets, update assumptions, debug errors with citations and transparency. So you want to log in with your account. And if you currently don't have a pro plan on Claude, it's not going to work. So you have to have paid plan on Claude. So you can see if I open plans on Claude, you can see that there is Claude in Excel in Pro plan, which is 15 euros per month. So then you are going to be able to use it, and that's basically it. This is how you can add Claude in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.